Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs, and you are absolutely welcome on my creative channel, or welcome back. Today is day 14 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar, and I'm so excited. I just can't wait to show you what we have in the sketchbook. So let's just have a look. Consider subscribing for my channel so you will not miss any of the new videos that are about to come. Let's have a look. So let's just have a look and see what we have today. We have a Christmas winter hat, and I like it a lot, of course. Like all the other ones, but let's just start up. Now, before we start with our hat, we can quickly go through the days. I really like to check all the illustrations that we made. I don't know if you did it from day one or you just joined, but definitely if you spent just a minute to go through all your illustrations, then it's just this nice feeling to see your progress and to see what you've done, and it's just always nice to take time for our art, no matter if it's a big art piece or it's just a mini sketch in the sketchbook. Okay, so today I was thinking to skip the pencil sketch and just give it a try and see what will happen. I usually have a photo for all my sketches, or I have a reference like live reference or photo reference. Today I will just try to, I will challenge myself to just sketch whatever I have in my mind, and I cannot do this with everything, and I think that it's only for simple objects that I kind of see almost every day. And now that it's winter, my girl is actually both of them, they put hats, so I kind of see it every day. So let's see what I can do. Okay, let's just try. So yeah, let's just try. I think I will keep it vertically, and I will make the fluffy part. I will sketch very light first and then go quickly. Then I will imagine the middle line and where this part is going. So something like this. It's always fine to really sketch with the pen. It's a good lesson also for me to just let perfection go and try. For sure, the plus of the pencil sketch is that you can definitely find the shape of your element by going back and forth a few times until you really find the right shape. And here, it's not that we can't really fix it, but you cannot really erase and change. So it's a real illustration in a sketchy style. Okay, and when you have the pencil line, you can definitely make your drawing look in the way you want. I think that when you practice more often, you can achieve this, in any style. Okay, now let's just add some water to add our colors. Let me know if you are using also watercolors just in the comments below, or you are using other mediums in this challenge. I'm just curious. Let's take our red and like, look, this technique is my favorite. Every time when I see this paint moving around, definitely it just brings me joy. And it's no super relaxing now because I'm also trying to talk and explain my steps. But when I do it really for myself, it's extremely relaxing, just because I focus completely, and you know, it's only me and my sketchbook. Okay, now if you don't want the bleeds from red to the gray part, I will make this gray. You have to wait for your red to dry, because I really like how the paint moves around. I will even touch it slightly. I will grab some gray, Payne's gray, and then drop it in. This part can be white for sure, and in one of the previous illustrations I showed you what's a nice way to make white objects, so you can try it out for this one. I really like the combination of these two colors, so I'm just going for it. Okay, I think that's it. And I will take a little bit of red to do a few splatters. And we'll use this paint to write day 14. You can see when I go through my splatters, they just bleed in my text. Day. Let me just remove the clip so I have enough space for my number. Okay, let me just dry this, and I will continue with some white details. I have the heat gun. If you don't have one, just wait for this to dry, or try with your hair dryer. I'm not sure if it will work out. Okay, and the head is dry. Maybe some of the splashes are still a little bit wet, so I will make sure I am careful. So I will go here and add a few. I'm literally doing scribbles. Sometimes the words are really out of my head. So I'm just going in and adding this fluffy. They're not really fluffy, but they make this look. Okay, I just saw some balloons, I think, on my, oh, just because. Okay, so I am filming with my phone, and apparently I didn't turn off this. Okay, let's just continue, and we can make them kind of the same. So I will make here the snowflake, like this, and maybe we can make one more here, but then it will be just a little bit smaller and cut because it's just going on the other side. Okay. Like this, and then the small lines here. I am not even trying to make it perfect, but yeah, I will remind that if you need the outlines and the tracing page, it's on my Patreon, and all the members can download it and print it, so you can definitely check this out. Okay, like this. Okay, I think I like it quite a lot. I can just add here a few lines closer to the black outlines. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for joining me and watching my video. Don't forget to check out the other platforms where I share tons of content like every day. Check out my Patreon to see if you like to join as a member and download all the outlines of these illustrations. And I think that's it. Yes, I will see you tomorrow for day 15 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar, and yeah, I see you tomorrow. Bye.